Happy Monday, good afternoon, and after a spectacular weekend, we are enjoying a milder breeze today and warming up as we head towards the middle of the week when our next front will be moving through on Wednesday, and then we're in for a dry stretch of weather, and I will show you what I mean by that when we take a look at the 7-day rain chances. And wow, we are seeing a 0% chance of rain as we head throughout the rest of the work and school week. And take a look even as we head into the holiday weekend. On Saturday, we're still seeing dry weather, but then only a 10% chance of an isolated shower on Easter Sunday. Now, as we take a look at our current temperatures, we are enjoying a very pleasant afternoon out there as we're in the upper 70s in Broward and Miami-Dade, 80s across the Keys. And I want to show you the rest of the temperatures because at this time, we are seeing more in the way of the upper 70s and low 80s. It's gorgeous out there. You know what? You can take your lunch outside because we're seeing all that sunshine. We are dry. We will stay dry as we look at our next weather rain tracker, and highs climb to the low 80s this afternoon, which is near normal for this time of year. And we're just seeing a couple clouds blowing on by, and that's it for today. You won't need the umbrella. However, hang on to your hats because the gusts could reach 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. Certainly going to be breezy here as we head through your Monday, and that's leading to a moderate risk of rip currents at the beach. So just keep that in mind. If you are not an experienced swimmer, you need to stay out of the ocean, and if not, you still want to be near a lifeguard, right? UV index is high. It's bright out there. No alerts for the Atlantic waters as we're seeing a light chop on the bays. No alerts for the Florida Keys. A moderate chop near shore. We're going to continue this warm up through tomorrow, through Wednesday, our warmest day of the week. Here comes the front, and high pressure will build in and lead to a very dry, stable atmosphere. And that is the reason why this week is looking so quiet as we'll continue to enjoy mainly dry, mostly sunny weather. We'll wake up to the upper 60s on Thursday. The humidity will be a bit lower, so we have reinforcing drier air on the way. 81 for the high Thursday. Friday, many of the kids have the day off. You may have the day off from work. It's Good Friday. 83 degrees with tons of sunshine. Saturday, waking up to 70, the high to 82. And Sunday, we'll wake up to the low 70s for Easter with a high around 83 degrees and only a 10% chance of rain.